What is up, everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are going to be reviewing the hard waterproof carrying case by the brand called Migitec, and this fits the DJI Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro. So let's just get on with it here. So this drone case is pretty heavy duty, and here's how tough the latches are. If you're worried about this thing coming undone, check this out. Here's how much tension there is in the latches. So when I flip this one up, and then this one, a lot of tension there, so I promise you they are not going to be coming undone anytime soon. But let's check this out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take everything out and put it back in, and I'm going to show you guys a few hidden secrets about this drone case. So let's get right into it. First off, we have the drone right here, and as you can see, it has the gimbal guard and the propeller guard on there, and it fits pretty nice and snug in there too. You know, not too tight, not too loose, just nice and snug. So that's pretty good. There is a little compartment down here, and I use this to store my ND1000 filter. And by the way, everything in here will be linked down in the description below, so that way you guys can kind of check out the stuff that I use. One quick hidden thing about this is there is like a foam padding that sits in here, so you actually can take this out, and your drone will actually fit in there, so it's, you know, pretty flush with the top of the case here. So I just leave mine in because I don't think it makes a big difference. So just a little, you know, fun fact for you guys. Next up, we have the charging dock here with 3 batteries in it. I'm not going to lie, this one does fit kind of tight, but I'm not hating that because that just tells me that it's not going to easily slip out. And in here, I have the 45-minute flight time batteries, which will also be linked in the description. Here's the charging dock. Not a whole lot to it, but you guys probably aren't interested in that, so let's get on to the next stuff. Here we have the 34-minute flight time batteries. I'm going to take these out. Those go in and out pretty easy. That's what she said. So we're going to toss those to the side for now. And then next, we're going to take a look at the remote. So this is the remote with the smart screen on it. Smart screen as in it has the display. And that one is fairly flush with the top. And that one comes in and out pretty easy. It's not loose. It's not too tight. It just fits in there pretty well. And when we take that one out, we also do have another little storage compartment down here. And I put my ND filters in there. This one holds an ND8, 16, 32, and 64 ND filter. This one's not an ND filter, this one's just the frame that goes on the drone because I have the ND8 on there right now, but enough of that. Also, if you guys don't have the remote with the smart screen, like for example, if you have, where is it? Here it is. If you have this remote and you're probably thinking, well, oh crap, I mean, this is pretty loose and it doesn't fit. No worries, we got you covered. So this case actually comes with an additional like foam padding insert, so that way you can put that one in there, and then it fits your non-smart screen remote just fine. Pretty snug, fairly flush with the top, so it's not going to be, you know, bouncing around anytime soon. And also, real quick, I am going to link another drone carrying case in the description below because this other case, which I didn't buy, but I kind of want to buy it, the actual compartment itself here, like this part, actually comes out, and you can put like your tablet or your launching pad underneath everything. I'll put a photo up on the screen right now, and maybe a little video, so that way if you guys want that one, you can buy that one. But like I said, I'll have both of them linked down in the description below. And last but not least, you do have this other compartment right here. This one I just keep other odds and ends stuff in. I have a mini tripod for the camera that I'm using to film this right now. I also do have some additional propellers in here, batteries, and I think there is a little screwdriver and some additional SD cards in there as well. Sometimes I'll put like cigarettes or like chapstick or ibuprofen in there. I mean, I wouldn't recommend that, but hey, you know, live your life. So now we're going to put everything back in, and then I'm going to show you guys the waterproof test, and we're going to see if this thing actually holds up. And bam. Alright, and here's another little demonstration of how tight these things latch. So we'll put this one on first. Latch it down, bam. Then we'll do the other one. This also does have like a little air pressure release here, just in case it's like too hot or something. You can let the air out. And that's what the front of it looks like. That's what the top of it looks like. That's what the back of it looks like. Here's what the hinges look like here. Nothing too fancy. But yeah, let's go check out the waterproof test. And for those of you that are asking, I just got this off Amazon, so I'll link that one down in the description below. It's pretty cool, I know. Okay, so now for the waterproof test, we are actually going to take the drone case right here, and we're going to test it to see if it floats, and then we're going to hold it underwater for a few seconds, and then we're going to bring it back up here, open it up, and then I'm going to show you guys how waterproof it really is. So let's get to it. So here's for the waterproof test. As you can see, we have my drone, the remote, and the batteries, and all my accessories in there. So we're gonna go ahead and buckle this up. Loud snap. So let's just say you're out hiking near a river, pond, or creek, and you drop it in there. Oh crap. As you can see, the case actually floats. So if it does make its way into the water, it's not gonna go directly to the bottom. Now, we're gonna hold this underwater for about 15 seconds, and hopefully I don't ruin my drone. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no air bubbles. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, that's actually, I'm pretty confident this thing is waterproof because I am not seeing any air bubbles whatsoever. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's take it out. Floats right to the top. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up on the counter here, and then I'm gonna grab the camera and just kind of speed these next few seconds up just a little bit here. Okay, so yeah, you can see there's water on there, and let's just go ahead and open it up. Pop that one, oops, gonna ruin my camera. Okay. And moment of truth. She is drier than a woman over 40. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm probably going to lose some subscribers for saying that. But yeah, if you take a look, there is no water on the foam padding at all. No water got into the case. So when they advertise and say this thing is waterproof, they are not kidding. So if you guys are curious to see if this holds up with water, I would say it definitely does. And yeah, I'm like literally trying to find any little bit of water around the case here to prove myself wrong. But no water got through the seals here. So I would say if you're thinking about buying this case, because it's waterproof and because it's a hard carrying case and it holds all your accessories, I would say this drone case is Jesse's Drone Adventures approved. Thanks for watching.